A deep fryer is a simple process. You immerse food in hot oil, finish it, it stays nice and crisp on the outside, and on the inside it gets beautifully moist and flavorful. It can cook anything from chicken to vegetables to tempuras. There's so many things you can do in a regular deep fryer. Deep fryer is globally accepted as the correct way to cook chicken, fish, beef, and alike. It gives a deep flavor. It protects the moisture inside the product, sealing the outside. It fries very quickly, producing meats and products at a very quick rate. And as far as the acceptance from 6 to 60, everybody loves fried products. Regular fryers cook in ambient pressure. They do a beautiful job at frying products. This is like a fryer on steroids. It's been lifted up. It's using pressure that's produced by the product that goes in there when you lock it down, producing up to 14 pounds of pressure. What that does is it keeps the moisture in the product and seals the outside very quickly, giving you 7% more weight and a longer hold time because the moisture is included inside the skin. Other than I love this unit, when you put something under pressure, it seals the moisture in and it skins the outside very quickly. It will give you more yield, 7% more if you're selling by the pound, but more importantly, it locks the moisture inside the meat to produce a very moist, holdable chicken. Supermarkets all over the world use it to protect when they put it into a heated case to sell to their customers. It may sit there 2 and 3 hours. The pressure fryer chicken will stay moist during that period. Other items is oil life. If filtered correctly is longer, the cook times are shorter, and the quality of the product is better.